Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to see watch history on Instagram. Okay, let's go. First of all, go to your Play Store, click on Play Store. Now search and check update your Instagram. Click on this. You can see your Instagram is already updated. Now back to your home screen. Then go to your Instagram. Click on Instagram. Now click on profile icon. Click on this. Now scroll down. Click on your activity. Scroll down. Click on watch history. You can see you have watched in the past 30 days. Your watch history here. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.